Hi dear customers, this is the spare parts for invisible slider. Look at this is the brass pin. This is the brass pin, okay? And you can see it's non-negative, okay? Non-negative, okay? Cannot be catched by the magnet, okay? And this is the spring. Okay, look at this is the spring, okay? And this is one also cannot be touched, okay? Cannot catch. And this is the brass hook. See? This is a brass. Of course, somebody will use iron or other material, but the good quality is the brass, okay? And then check this one. This is a triangle link. Okay, this link also is the non-negative. It's made by brass. We also have the iron quality. So this is the slider body. Okay, some customer will buy these spare parts, separator parts, and the slider body from us, and buy the slider invisible slider assembly machine and assemble the invisible in their factory. But most of the customer buy the finished slider body from our side, okay? Like this, okay? Slider, buy the finished slider, completely slider from our side. For the completely slider, we have a different quantity. For example, 580 pieces per kilo, over 610 pieces per kilo. In other video, we will explain the relation information about the invisible slider. Okay, that's it. The detailed parts in the invisible slider. Thank you.